Hey guys, Damien here from Above and Beyond. In this video, I'm just going to walk you through the homepage settings for our Niche Bigcommerce theme. Just getting started, you want to click on, once you open the theme editor, make sure you're clicking Theme Styles on the left, and then from there, click on the homepage section. So starting from the top, it's pretty self-explanatory. There is a carousel. We only have one slide at the moment loading here, but if you had two slides, and that's in your homepage carousel settings for BigCommerce back in the dashboard. If you have two slides, you can turn on the arrows and you can choose whether or not to even show that entire carousel. And you can set the carousel title color, the shadow color. So if you went and changed this to like a blue, button colors, if we play with all of them, that will change those details there. See how it's changing, and the shadow's blue, and we can change the actual title color to yellow if you like to. And then moving down the page, and you've got the heading and subheading text. Now this is for these sections here. So self-explanatory, the heading text will be whatever you choose from here, and then the subheading text color can be adjusted as well, and you can play with them, and that will adjust those throughout each of those main sections on the home page. So moving on to the banner sections, we have three banner sections, 1, 2, and 3, and these can be turned off individually. So hide banner section 1 will actually take this whole section out. You've got the title, the subtitle text, so you can change those here. Then the first paragraph, the intro, which is here. You have a main image URL, which I'll do another video on how that works, but essentially you upload a video to the image to the image manager, and then you get its path, and then you paste that in here, and that will put that image in there. There is a separate video on that I will do as well. Then you have each title. So there's three features: the title, the sentence, and image URL for the icon. So those icons, we have the correct image sizes in our knowledge base for you as well. You can turn them off. If you take that out, that will just reload and put the text on the left without the icon. So the same settings are for further down. You've got the button, right? The button text URL, where that link goes to, and the text for that button. If you want to change what that says, that could say, shop now, or buy now, or view our range. The same settings are for banner section 2, banner section 3. So it's pretty much the same. Further down, we've got the niche, our story section. So here it gives you the option to set whether you want this set up as a full banner, whether you want it to have a video as well. So at the moment we've got it set up as a full banner. So see the display, it's no text, full width image. But if you want to change that to with text, image right, you can. And that will change the layout of that section. Now you have some text for the paragraph 1, 2, and 3. Then you have the read more button text and the link. And there's also a URL for an image. So that the image size of that was 1920 by 900. Again, you upload that to the image manager and you paste that in. Again, I do have a video on that, so please consult the other article in the knowledge base. There's a section for a YouTube video. Now to get this, what you need to do is go to YouTube and then get the video ID. You don't paste the whole link in, you just need the video ID. So this is how you do that. So if I go to YouTube, right, and I find a video, I'll just go to this one here. So we find, see when we pause it and we just have a look at the URL of the page, there's two ways to get the ID. See in the top it says youtube.com/watch?v equals, and then it's got like this code. That is the video ID. Another way to get it is to click the share button and get this bit at the end of the URL. That is also the video ID. If you copy that video ID and you paste that in here, that will actually change the link to the video on the home page. The next section is the featured products display. So this section here is actually displaying featured products. You can have it like this, or you can have it traditionally set out. So if we go into those settings there, we can change the layout of this to show as a banner section or as a carousel. I'll just leave it as the banner section and go through some of the settings. You've got product background color, which changes the green behind the image, so that can be changed. And then you've got the title color and the subtitle color, and then the number of featured products that you want to display. And you also have a section image that goes over here. Now I'll change the layout of this and show it as a carousel, and it will display like that traditionally. Now, if you're unsure on where to get your featured products, I'll just quickly show you how products are featured. There are guides on BigCommerce. So what you want to do is click on your products section on the left and then view all your products. And then see these ones with a little star icon, they're featured. So to make a product featured, all you do is click the three dots and go make featured. And that will then feature that item on the home page. There's also two other settings which are currently disabled by default, but you can turn them on, is the number of most popular products. If you turn that on, it'll show like the best sellers for the store, and it'll show number of new products, products that have recently been added into BigCommerce in your store. Moving on to the next bit, which is the customer reviews section. You can either hide this as well, the title, which what our customers say, our customers love us. Then you have 4 areas for different reviews. So you've got the first name, then the text, then the customer second name and the second text, third name and fourth. We will be putting in a button here like this. See how it says read all articles? We're gonna, in the next update, which will be done later, probably by the 11th, 12th of March, there will be a button in here that will let you set a reviews link. So it will say view all reviews, and you'll be able to set that text and link them directly to a reviews page from here too. At the moment, we did limit that to 4, just for, there's a limit to the number of settings we can have in the back end of the theme. Blog section, you can hide that, change the titles. This section pulls in anything from the blog section that's in BigCommerce. The next section is the Instagram feed. There is a whole article on that in our knowledge base that I go through and have a separate video on. So that's the homepage settings. If you have any questions at all about our niche theme, please email support@abpages.com and we will get back to you straight away. Thank you. Have a great day.